Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a phenomenal day with all the excitement in the trading, both the rallies earlier today and then the sell-off this afternoon if you were there. And so, what a great opportunity! Even if you're a part-time trader, like for me this morning, I went ahead and this afternoon I was at an awards ceremony. I'm super excited, Dad. Sorry to brag on the kids a little bit, but hey, I love them dearly. They both won awards at school for incredible kindness and acts of giving and everything else and all the wonderful things that they've gone ahead and done this year. So congratulations to both of my lovelies. And so I'm super excited. So needless to say, I wasn't really trading here into the afternoon, so I kind of missed that downdraft that we saw at one point. But that's okay, because the market had wonderful rallies right up into, you guessed it, gang, the magic resistance I've been telling you about here, well, like for what, year and a half now. And so here we are, stuck at those key levels again. But that's what's so exciting about what we do, right? The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. Well, if you're on the right track, using the right systems and methodologies, that can really be, that's a great way to be insane. And that's exactly what I was focusing on here today, working on the same strategies, right? Just like I taught you on Wednesday, we went ahead and we had pro RTs, champion setups, acceleration alerts and rapid trade identifiers, dual momentum, and throttling. What does that mean? We expect after a pullback higher highs, and we did that with more throttling. What does that mean? After a pullback, we expect higher highs, and we got all that right up until the friend is your the trend is your friend until the bend in the end. Well, look what happened here, right? We had the negative divergence happen the same way I taught you, and I told you Wednesday. I showed you that little trick about watching out. When you get those little spike ups, but you're not seeing that with the underlying triggers here. And then, of course, all the entry and re-entry opportunities that there were with the IRB breakouts, both classic, reverse, and classic IRBs. So many momentum shift breakouts that we were talking about the other day there, right? Those are the red dots, like for instance in the uptrend, and then the green dots, right back into the directions. All these entry and re-entry opportunities, and there were significant moves. So even if you only had a little bit of time on your hands today, there were huge opportunities here, and I certainly was trading a lot in the little bit of time that I went ahead and was able to focus on the market. So really great stuff, adding to a phenomenal year. Now, then as we go into the afternoon here, we end up kicking back over to the sell side and rolling back down, and we did that with throttling, and that really pushed down pretty hard there for a while into the closing time frames here. So I hope that you went ahead and learned so much from me Wednesday morning here, and the feedback has been absolutely incredible. And we weren't going to go ahead and actually do a Saturday event here because now the kids are out of school after tomorrow. They're doing the big graduation and everything, but we're going to go ahead and do the class again. It was not recorded on Wednesday there. It wasn't authorized to be recorded. It went ahead and, except for our internal purposes there, but we are going to go ahead and do the class again. And so we encourage you guys, if you had to miss it or you want to catch more of what I was showing with the options trading strategies, with the day trading, swings trading, or position trading strategies, make sure you go ahead and join us here. This is your final chance for several months. You know how this goes. We don't do this very often. These are my culmination of my life's work, most powerful strategies, my ITP strategies. That make sure you go ahead and join us Saturday morning to build upon everything you've been learning, because no matter who you are, you can go ahead and learn something from those classes. I taught some very interesting tools and strategies that played out today. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Let's talk about how we're putting together these different areas and these levels and these methodologies for entries. Let's build upon everything we taught you here on Wednesday and take it to the next level. So I'm super excited to see you Saturday morning. One final time for this class here. And so it's going to be 10 o'clock Saturday morning. It went a little over 2 hours here on Wednesday. I suspect it'll be the same. I'm going to be teaching a lot of things again. So make sure you guys go ahead and plan for that time to go ahead and be with us. You can't afford to miss that from my perspective for sure, given the incredible 2023 and 2022 for that matter. So, with that being said, we will see you here bright and early Saturday morning. Have a great night, gang. BecomeABetterTrader.com/go. And great trading today. Let's go ahead and keep the great things happening here. All right, take care, everyone, and don't forget those key resistance levels we're at. You can see how important they are. Bye-bye for now.